Welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an engine bay detail on our 2019 Mini Cooper. It appears as if some rodent or something has lived under the hood for a while and it's in desperate need of a proper cleaning. So I'm going to run you through the steps of a normal engine bay clean for me. So first step, vacuuming or leaf blower to get the majority of the loose debris out of there. Probably the vacuum for this one, as it's quite compact and everything is quite caked on as well. So yeah, and then after that we're going to go through the cleaning step, which is all-purpose cleaner with some microfiber towels and brushes. And then for the most satisfying step, it will be coating everything and making it look nice. So grab a drink, sit back, relax and enjoy this video with me. So for this first step I will be using my trusty Makita vacuum. It's a wet and dry vacuum. It's just a great all-purpose vacuum cleaner with a long hose. It also comes with this nice rubber tip attachment so you don't scratch your car or any surfaces that you accidentally hit. Alright, so that's the first step done. Now we've already made a lot of difference, all the loose debris and all the dust and all the sand is gone. And now we're going to continue to the second step, which is cleaning with a all-purpose cleaner. And I just want to show you this. I mainly use two all-purpose cleaners. I use the MultiX from Carpro and the GS or Green Star from Koch Chemie. And there's a major difference between the two of those, and I just want to show you these differences and make you aware that you can't just really use any product anywhere, even though it might be an all-purpose cleaner. So let's take a close-up look at these packages. Let's start off with the MultiX from Carpro. It's a great cleaner, works very well, and it's for interior and exterior use. Let's see if we can get that up close. It's an interior and exterior cleaner. Has to be or can be diluted depending on where you're using it for. But let's take a look at a few of the disclaimers that are on this packaging. And mainly this one here. And it's this text in the white outline which states that you can't use it on raw metal or aluminum or basically any raw metals. So this product, it has some chemicals in it and it will probably react to some parts that you have in that car over there, and especially in the engine bay it's not uncommon. So if you just take a quick look at this part of the engine bay, I can see raw metal here, 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 under there, and there are another few lines back there, and also here on the alternator and on the heat shielding. It's all raw metal. Now if we switch to the green star from Koch Chemie, and I'll show you the back as well. It's this great text over here. Yeah, it's a lot more suitable for this side of application, and it's also stating that it can be used in machinery and all other things, and there's no disclaimer that it can't be used on metal. So that's why for engine base, green star is my preferred application, and I also use this one on the inside of the cars for the interiors. So I have a spray bottle over here. This is just green star diluted at a ratio of 1:15. And I use this for interior and engine bay. So just a quick disclaimer or awareness, I think, to show you that you can't just use any product on any application step. So does this mean that MultiX is a bad product? Not at all. Green star, it's also not a bad product, and each product has its purposes, and I think as a detailer it's your obligation to know which product to use when and how to apply it. So always make sure to read your packages before you use anything. But yeah, I use the MultiX on the outside or the exterior of the car, and the green star for the interior and also the engine bay, as you now know. So yeah, let's continue. Don't forget your gloves. So we have the engine bay looking fine now. Everything's clean, everything's looking nice, but we can do better by applying a coating. This is a protectant and also, yeah, to increase the gloss and durability of the engine bay looking good. This is Carpro Perl. I like this one a lot. It's a multi-purpose coating. You can use it on vinyl, rubber, I think even leather, if I'm not mistaken. It's external plastics, engine bay, tires, rubber, indoor dash and leather. But all these different items have a different dilution level, so keep in mind of that. And the one that I have here is pre-mixed for myself in a handy spray bottle. It's Perl 123 dilution, and this is for the external plastic trim parts and the engine bay. So this is Carpro Perl, and I'll show you the back as well. So feel free to pause and read this if you want to. I'm not going to go into that. It's easy to apply, easy to use. You can spray it on with a spray coat or spray bottle and then just wipe it down with microfiber, and that's it. So let's coat this engine bay and make it look even better. Now, just before I start spraying this engine bay, I always try to watch out and try not to get this stuff on the alternator, on any electrical components or heat shields that can cause a lot of smoke and unwanted fumes and stuff. So I try to avoid those. You can also spray it on the microfiber towel if you're not comfortable spraying inside the engine bay, and then wipe it on. Yeah. Let's do a nice 50-50 split on this one so you can see the difference. Or 60-40 in this case. So here we are at the end of the video. I try to apply a bit more structure, so to say. So I hope you noticed, and if you did, let me know in the comments below, where I'll also, in the description, I'll mention all the products that I used and showed in this video. I'm very happy with the results. Every trace of the rodent or animal that was in here is completely gone, and everything is nicely coated and protected, so it should last a good while now and stay clean. So that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content, and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed these videos or if you had some rodents in your car yourself, because they can provide a lot of headaches. That unfortunately, fortunately is not the case in this situation. Just a bit of dirt and debris, but nothing else. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.
So pretty and your smile, baby. I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby. Do you look so pretty and your smile, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile, you're stuck in my